Start marking your attendance. Mark your attendance.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. So how many of you have done the full wave rectifier efficiency? Calculation of full wave rectifier efficiency. Have you posted on the Google Drive? Google Classroom? Hmm? Anyone have done?
सर गूगल क्लासरूम में तो कुछ नहीं है।
हाँ? बोलो।
तो दिखा नहीं सर।
क्या नहीं दिखा?
सर जो आप क्वेश्चन बोले वो
क्वेश्चन क्लास में अनाउंस किया गया था। कहाँ दिखेगा क्वेश्चन? Anyone? Anyone? Hmm? Mark your attendance. Anyone who has uploaded their work on the Google Classroom. In the last class, I have given a task that you have calculate the full wave rectifier efficiency and then you have to upload it to the Google Classroom. How many of you have done this? कोई नहीं? हम्म? कितने लोग? अरे तुम ही लोग से पूछ रहा हूँ, कोई बोल नहीं रहे। कोई नहीं, मार्क योर अटेंडेंस। कोई नहीं हो, this is very very bad. Okay, okay, so we will try today to simulate the rectifier. Okay, in simulated. Although in the curriculum we don't have, but we'll try to see how we can make a rectifier. Okay, so actually so see, we'll go and first of all we have to set up so what is simulator? Anyone can say what is simulator? बोलो बाबू। जवाब नहीं देते हो तुम लोग।
सर सिमुलेटर एक सर आर्टिफिशियल इन्वायरमेंट होता है सर, या फिर आर्टिफिशियल कुछ वैसा डेवलप करेंगे कि उसका जो भी काम करेगा उसको देख सकें सर।
और कोई? एनीवन? Anyone? Basically simulator is what? A program, or we can say software that simulates our real life problems. Okay, simulates means that replicate, okay, our real life problem, okay, for purpose of experiment or anything that can be visualized or can be done or can be solved for the real life problem. Okay, so like you have AutoCAD, okay, for civil and mechanical, the huge software. Okay, you can do anything if you want. If you want to make a nut bolt, you can make there. And if you want to check what is the stress level, if you made with gold or silver or iron or copper or aluminum, these 4 or 5 cases you can simulate over there. That means if you put some pressure on the bolt or nut, okay, so how much they can withstand. Okay, so this type of experiment, this type of um, environment you can set up for yourself to understand what is the behavior of your design. Okay, so you can make any design. If you want to make a, suppose, nut bolt with the silver, then you have to have, you have to do if you want to in real life, then this is very very difficult to you, and sitting at home, if you want to do, you can't do it. Okay, so it's a very much useful environment. Okay, real life problem can be visualized, can be solved through this uh, uh, after modeling it properly. Okay, so because it's not physical, so everything we have to set up. Okay, for that we have so many software available. Just you have to learn how to operate it. Okay, and how to give the physical condition, how to analyze the result. Okay, so these type of things you have to. So for our case, we are making a rectifier, so we'll go to the Google. Okay, in front of you I am showing it, and type online multisim. Okay, so it will open like that. Okay, now go to the online simulator or any one link that is given. Okay, so I'm going to directly online simulator. So it's saying that you have to sign up or log in. So it'll sign up from here. Okay, we are going to sign up. So it's telling like that there are few things in front of you have to fill up. Okay, so type. Okay, user name, then you can give. Then it's asking which profession you are in. Okay, so you have to write like that, and then address you can type here. What is, क्या नाम है इसका, मोरूबंदा. Okay, and then city is Ramgarh. Okay, postal code, email address you can write here. And then you can type the password. Okay, so now create. So password should be one capital, then small, then okay. Again, what is the problem? Okay, it's telling go to your email address and confirm. Then you have to go to the email address and confirm I have to add another account. So go the email and then we have to confirm it from there. Okay, just click this link and it will show that your account has been created. So simple, just you have to fill up some few lines and now they will put you to enter password given and log in with that. Okay. Here is telling complete your profile. It's not necessary. अपडेट प्रोफाइल पे क्लिक कर दो अगर कुछ नहीं भरने का है. Okay. Now go to the circuit and my circuit. Okay, और create circuit. यहाँ पे जो है आप create circuit में चले जाना. Okay. Now it's opening and this is online. Okay, you don't have to install anything. ठीक है. So here is a menu. Okay, upper side on if you're seeing the let me this is what the visualization portion is there. Okay, if you want to have the graph then split screen is option is there. आप इस पर क्लिक करोगे तो एक तरफ सर्किट दिखेगा आपको और दूसरी तरफ पे आपका आउटपुट दिखेगा. Okay, so this is the schematic view and this is the items or component available for us to make our circuit. Okay, so very simple, कुछ ज्यादा है नहीं इसमें. ठीक है, अभी रेक्टिफायर बनाने के लिए हमको क्या क्या चाहिए. Suppose if you want to make a half wave rectifier, then what thing we want? क्या क्या चाहिए?
ट्रांसफार्मर सर, लोड, डायोड, कनेक्टिंग वायर.
ट्रांसफार्मर चाहिए. Modeling block and relay, electromechanical. So we have the transformer. Okay. ठीक है. Now what we need? Some source, that is AC source. So we'll take AC source. Then what we need? We need diode. So we'll have diode. then from right side, left side, you can choose. Okay, whatever we want, we can drag and drop from this. Okay. Now what we have, what we want, we are catching resistance. Okay, so we'll have the resistance. Then one thing we need one ground. बस और तो कुछ नहीं चाहिए कि चाहिए we'll make this 50 hertz. Okay, from right side you can change. If you double click on the item, we'll have the value, numerical value for that. Okay, so voltage should be like 220. Okay, 50 hertz. If we give to this transformer, now we'll connect this. Just if you see, ऐसा ड्रम जैसा डमरू जैसा आएगा आपका आइकन जब इफ यू टेक योर कर्सर क्लोजर टू द one point of the item. Okay, so it will come like that. So you connect this. So it has been connected. Okay, now connect with the diode. It's very simple, कुछ है नहीं इसमें. We'll try to simulate this. Okay, अगर यही चीज आप फिजिकली खरीद के करोगे, it will take so much time, so much. Okay, but this is the only to visualize. Okay, but आप इसको घर पे बना सकते हो डायोड खरीद के, रेजिस्टेंस खरीद के. ओके, कोई वो नहीं है. ओके, नाउ वन this round should be okay, and we can measure the voltage from here. Okay. Now if we simulate this, let us see if error is coming or not. We'll have the voltages. Okay, so if we split the screen, then we will get the
सर आपका आवाज
आवाज नहीं आ रहा.
सर अभी आ
So voltage is like 14 now, not 3, and minimum should be okay. So दिख रहा है आपको?
Yes, sir.
So are you seeing the voltages what we have got? So this is the output of the half wave rectifier, right? देखो ऑन हो रहा है, बीच में ऑफ है. इसको अगर आप रोकते हो, स्टैंड स्टिल करते हो, तो आपको दिखेगा. ओके, so if you want to see with the inputs, then what we have to do, we have to one second. Graph will come. One second. Take, or if you take this from here, add the secondary. Now simulate. Same thing is coming. Okay, so this was the input. Okay. So if you see the input and output, so input is in color of blue, okay, and output is like a green. So if you see carefully, if you stop the, okay. So whenever your input is in the positive direction, we are getting the output for the rectifier. Okay. Whenever your input is in, so your diode is in reverse bias, we are not getting anything. Again, for each positive input, we are getting the output. Okay. So this is the sinusoidal input at the secondary end of the transformer we are getting. Okay. And at the output, this much we are getting. Okay. So got the point? ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो ये हो गया आपका मतलब हाफ वेव. ऐसी तरह से आप फुल वेव ब्रिज रेक्टिफायर का भी आप कर सकते. Okay. So everyone is instructed to build a circuit like this in the online platform and simulate it, take the screenshot and upload in Google Classroom. Everyone, again I am telling. ठीक है? जैसे आपको सेंटर टाइप बनाने का है तो क्या करोगे? क्या करेंगे? सेंटर टाइप वाला लेंगे, है ना? यहाँ से आप चेंज कर दो, सिमेट्रिक में जाओ तो वो चला जाएगा. अभी आपके पास ऑप्शन आएगा न्यू का, है ना? न्यू हम यहाँ से न्यू फाइल करेंगे, दूसरा एक जाएंगे, इसको सेव करने के लिए बोला सेव कर दो. पब्लिक या प्राइवेट या ऑनलाइन है ना, तो आप दे सकते हो, कुछ भी लिख सकते हो, है ना? हाँ, जैसे हाफ वेव फॉर योर रेफरेंस, कि आप बनाए हो तो आपके पास हमेशा रहेगा, ठीक है ना? सेव कर दिए, अभी न्यू में जाएंगे. ओके, सिमेट्रिक, तो एक नया खुल जाएगा, उधर बनाएंगे फुल वेव. ओके, स्लो हो गया नेट क्या? हाँ, अगेन व्हाट यू हैव टू डू?
सर ब्रिज वाला बनाइए ना सर, ब्रिज टाइप.
ब्रिज टाइप भी बन जाएगा, वो आपके लिए होमवर्क है.
उसमें कैसे बनाएंगे थोड़ा?
कैसे क्या? देखो,
अच्छा
इसका
ठीक है सर।
एनोड कैथोड पहले तो 4 लेना होगा। जैसे आपके पास डायग्राम है, ठीक है, तो आप क्या करोगे, D1 का आप ऐसे
Yes.
बना सकते हो इसको। 4 डायोड लोगे, 1 2 3 4, ठीक है। हैं? अब वो वाला
Yes,
डायग्राम
sir.
देखो, कौन सा, जो आपका मेन डायग्राम था, याद है कैसे था, ब्रिज टाइप का है? अरे बोलो, बोल ही नहीं
Yes,
रहे।
sir. हाँ सर।
तो क्या करोगे? हम्म, क्या करोगे? देखना D3 का या D4 का किससे कनेक्शन है? D2 से, है ना। इसको यहाँ रख, और इसको यहाँ रख। इंड का, ये वाला जो इंड है, मतलब जो आपका एनोड है, मतलब जो पॉजिटिव साइड है, पॉजिटिव साइड ऑफ D2 is connected with the D4। आप कुछ भी नाम कुछ भी दे सकते हो। थिंग इज दैट कि ये दो इंड एक के साथ जुड़ेगा, ये दो इंड एक के साथ जुड़ेगा, और आप इनपुट दे दोगे, हो गया ब्रिज रेक्टिफायर। समझे?
हाँ सर।
इसको कनेक्शन करो पहले। राइट, ठीक है।
Yes, sir.
इनपुट कहाँ से देंगे? और आउटपुट कहाँ से लेंगे? बोलो, कुछ नहीं बोलोगे। So we'll have the input, okay, from 1 and 2, जो पॉइंट्स है। नहीं समझ में आएगा बोलना जी, चुप मत रहना। Then we have a load resistance, okay, we'll take the output from 3 and 4, okay. Now we change this should be 50 hertz, okay. Voltage also you have to change, like we give 12 volt, okay, because you are not using a transformer, so हमको जरूरत नहीं है यहाँ पे ट्रांसफार्मर का। Then we need one grounding, so we will have ground here or here, anywhere in the circuit, okay. And we measure the voltage across load and voltage across input. Now simulate. किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है इसमें? Split. Now scale the inputs. Okay. In height should be like 25. Oh, ज्यादा हो रहा है. Must have greater than 50. Okay, ये नहीं. Second. Just. Voltage minimum, maximum should be like 20. Minimum should plus 12. Okay. Minimum should be minus 12. And this should be plus 12. 15 ले लो ताकि आपको दिखेगा. ओके. अगर आप इसको रोक के देखो, you are getting डायरेक्शन उल्टा है. ओके. In the graph if you see, here input is P2, PR2, मतलब जो ब्लू वाली लाइन है, ये वाली लाइन, ये इनपुट है हमारा. ओके. So what we'll do, we are getting in opposite direction the output. Okay. So we'll change the everything okay. We are getting just in opposite direction. So we'll change the point. Input कहाँ से दे रहे हैं, output कहाँ से आ रहा है, उसके according. ओके. अभी ठीक है. See, it's not coming. For negative direction, we are not getting the output. पुराना वाला ही ले लिया है क्या? फिर से रन करो. ये हाफ वेव का ही आ रहा है. मीन्स वी हैव डन समथिंग.
ये जो कनेक्ट किए है सर डायोड
हाँ,
2 को 1 से सर.
2 को 1 से.
अच्छा, ऊपर में सर मतलब
देखो ना यहाँ से. See, this is what for this input. Okay, for this input. जब ये आएगा तो आपका क्या रहेगा, ये डायोड ऑन रहेगा, ये ऑफ रहेगा. राइट.
हाँ सर.
ऑन हुआ मतलब इधर से आएगा, ऐसे होते हुए